Hi everybody, it's good to be back again. Today I'm making another video on my Temu bag. I got another bag over here. I want to welcome everybody to my DIY Easy, and on all those who are new, I welcome you, and all those who have been subscribing to my channel and left your comments, I also welcome you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and share it to all those who don't know me. Okay? Hope everybody's having a great day today too. All right. Today I got another bag and it's ripped right here. As you can see, I see two rips. One here and another rip somewhere else. Oh, right here. Right here. So it came out like that, so I hope everything is in there, in this bag. Okay. Let me get my scissors. And before I start, anybody who wants to order, who likes anything on Temu that I have, you could go to their webpage online, which is www.temu.com, and that's Temu, which is missing the U there. You could go to their page online, or you could download their app on your phone. Okay. All right. Let me start. Okay. Gonna start right here. And this bag, I've been having this bag for almost like 2 weeks. So it's been sitting there in the room with 3 other bags that I have, and I'm gonna try to make those videos today if I have the time. So this bag has shoes that I have bought for my son. Got him some shoes, and so this is the first time I ever bought shoes. So bear with me. So I hope they fix. I hope they they fit him. All right, so before I start, and I will leave the details up here, okay? So you can see it up there in the top. All right, so the first thing I have is the dentist cleaner, the electric cleaner, and it's for your, which you will see it up here, if you can see it. Okay. So that's what it is. I don't know if you can see that, because I don't know if my light is good enough, but bright enough. But it will be up there in the screen how much I got it for. Okay. I'm not going to open it up, unless I'm going to use it, but it's an electric one, and it's a sprayer, and it's supposed to take out all the plaque and clean, your teeth. Okay. All right. Now I got this, I got this on discount. This dash camera for the car. So they gave it to me on discount. Oh my God, it's open. So they gave it to me on discount, and it'll be up there. Instead of giving to me the regular price, they gave it to me on discount. They send me to a discount coupon right on the web page. So right on the it was, I think, $12.99. I don't know, I don't remember, but the real price, I don't think the real price is $12.99, but I got a discount, I think half price of it, so and this is the things that it comes with. This is this is how you charge it, with this plug, and you put this on the lighter, that's how it works, and you plug it to that, and here goes the little camera, how it looks. This is so cute. I like it. And this is where you put it on, like I guess you could set it up from the back. I never had a camera for the car before like this, so this is all new to me, which I got it in discount. So yeah, a car DVR. So it comes with this, And I guess you could somehow, I think you have to put, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, I think you have to snap this in there. I don't want to break it, but let's see if I could get this in there. There we go. So you snap that in there, you know, and this is how it is. And I guess you hook this onto the window of the car, you know, and you could record while you're driving. And it also comes with an SD card. I don't know, maybe 32 gigabyte. If I'm not mistaken, it could be 32. Let me see. Okay. Oh wait, I have it backwards. So it is 32. So 32 gigabyte. Okay, it came with a car so I could record. You know, I think I like this. This is pretty cool. I love this. So every time I go driving for vacation or something, I could just record it. You know, so this is everything that it came with. The SD card, and it's a phone camera. There we go. And I got it for half price. Okay. All right. So that was a blessing. Okay, now I got some shoes here that I got for my son. You know, so I bought him a pair of shoes, and these are supposed to be, I think, 10.5. These are men's shoes. So, and they're supposed to be bendable. So they look pretty nice, you know, like nice and soft. So I got these shoes with this little style on the side, as you can see. And the price will be up there, how much I bought it for. And this is the first time that I buy shoes. Never bought myself shoes, but this is the first time I buy men's shoes. Okay. Then I got another pair of men's shoes. Here goes another one. And these are like a caramel color. And these are also size. They smell like leather. I could smell the material. It's pretty strong. And these also, I think, is bendable. Yeah. See, you could bend them. So, and this is how it is. It's pretty thick, pretty comfortable. And it's really nice and cushioned inside too. So it's nice and soft. You know, like really nice. So he's gonna feel very comfortable with this. You could wear these, I guess, with thin socks, thin men's socks, or you could wear this with also with no socks for the summertime. I know sometimes men don't wear socks in the summertime when they have shoes like these. These are called loafers, okay, by the way. All right, so I have 3 pair of shoes, and I think this is all that I have in here. So I have 3 pair of shoes. These are another one. And these are very nice. I like these. They're shiny. These are the shiny ones. Okay. So look how pretty these are. These are loafers. Yeah, he wanted a size 10.5. So size 45 is a 10.5 to let everybody know out there. Okay. And these are for church. And look at how nice it is back here too. It has the back the same as the front. It's pretty strong. Let me see if they have inside. Yeah, it's nice and soft inside too. Okay, so they are going to be very comfortable, you know. So they look like they're very comfortable. They got the cushion inside, you know. So it's pretty nice, you know, like all of them has the cushion inside. Except these guys, you know. But these have the cushion. They feel you could feel the cushion inside. You know, on this one and then this one. But this is how they are, and I will put the price up there, how much I bought it. And these are called loafers. You could get these for your husband or your sons or your brothers for birthday, Christmas, you know. They look very, very comfortable too. All right, so that's what I got on this bag. It was shoes and a free camera that they got me, that they gave me for half price, which is this one, and this I bought, the dental spray. Okay. All right, so this was gonna be a short video, you know, because this was really only about the shoes, you know, and the half price camera that I got. Thank you everybody for watching my videos and stayed along with me through this video, which was really short. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and share it to everybody who do not know me. Okay. All right, everybody, may you have a blessed day, and God bless everyone out there. Okay, bye.